two sensors. So this is where you insert it. You see it is clearly written here, sensor A or sensor B. So this A point is when you are ascending, when you are climbing the staircase, you insert it in. There's something here, you just press it down, then insert it. While this one must be connected up, you insert it in here. So this is it. Let's join it. So this cable here, this is the cable that comes with it. This is the cable that comes with it, of only 10 meters. So now, whenever you plug it, this one here, this one comes in here. This one will be upstairs, and this one here will be inserted down here. So what we will do next is just to cut it, just reduce it from here. Unlike the light has just two wires, the negative and the positive. But the sensor comes with 3 cables: the negative, positive, and the sensor. This middle one is the sensor cable. This middle one is the sensor. And when cutting it, you need to be very careful because the wires are very tiny, just small cables. So that's it. If you look carefully, you see this one, then put it down here. So you look here, you look carefully. So this one here is a negative, while this is the positive, the star. So what you do is wherever you connect the negative, you must connect the positive or the negative the same color, right? So now we are using this. This is our sensor cable. The sensor cable, you send three wires. Now 3 wires, one is the negative, the other one positive, and the sensor. So we'll be using this color as our positive, while this blue as our negative, while the green will serve as our sensor cable. So let's begin with it. So this star is our positive. We use it, we connect it here. So you join it together. That's it. Join it like this. Join it, you clip it everywhere. So we use the green color as our sensor. As our sensor cable. It's our sensor cable. Look at it here. The middle one is the sensor, which is the data. They are all connected. So this one here serves as our negative, this the data, which is the sensor, and these are positive. They are all connected. These are sensor cable. This one is a down one. This is down. So all you need to do is just to fix it here. While this one here, the receptor, the sensor. So this will pick your presence, the sensor point, and send it over to this controller, and the light will turn on. That's just it. See, this is the up sensor. You repeat the same thing you did down here. So, but in this case, you are using the green, the white that comes with the green, and the yellow, the orange color. These are the 3 major wires we'll be using. This will serve as our positive, these are negative, and this is the data, which is the sensor. The same way we did here. We did over there. We'll repeat it here. So this green and white here represents the data, which is the middle wire. You repeat the same thing you did over here to connect it. You connect it like this. So this is how you connect it. You tape it very well. To avoid the wires contacting with each other. The positive goes to the orange color, just the way we did it over there. So this is it. So you just put it here and that's all, and this will come here. So this one is done, so it can be pulled out from here like this, then you set it back. Everything is done. Everything is done. So this is it. You repeat the same thing. This area is a negative. It comes to this side. While the middle one, which is our data, which is the sensor, it comes to the green, just the way we connected it downstairs. While this comes to the orange color, which is the positive. So you can take it. And when taking it, make sure the wires don't get in contact with each other, else it will blow the system up. So you need to be very careful when doing it. You need to be very careful when doing it. So the wires are all connected. So this will be here, the sensor, the B sensor. So the reason why we are installing these two sensors is when you are descending from the staircase, you can, the light will just turn on its own, just like a two-way kind of lighting system, where when you're climbing up, you can switch the light on and switch it off at the same time. So, and one thing about this lighting system is this automation. Even when two people are making use of the stairways, like this one is descending, while the other one is ascending, the light will still turn on. You understand? So that's just it. Okay.